Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're all doing great. You're welcome to Healthy Living, where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. In today's video, we are going to take a step away from the juicer and try and make something different, but arguably just as healthy and beneficial. Today, I will be showing you how to make a healthy salmon dinner. Salmon is not just one of my favorite fish, but also one of my favorite things to eat for lunch or dinner when it's accompanied by a healthy salad. Salmon is widely known due to its numerous health benefits and its potential to taste great when made well. This is why I decided to share one of the ways I personally use to make salmon with you, as it will enable you to make a healthy dinner that still tastes great. Salmon is classified as a fatty fish, but do not be alarmed. Salmon is actually packed full of fats known as healthy fats. An example of this is its high omega-3 essential fatty acid content, which not only sharpens your brain and improves memory retention, but it also helps you burn body fats, leading to weight loss and energy gain. These weight loss properties are enhanced by salmon's immense amount of lean proteins, and also the fact that it has less saturated fat than most red meats. This makes it one of the best companions for a healthy weight loss. The fatty acids that we referenced before have plenty of other benefits, including helping your skin to hold water, making it clear and smooth, lowering blood pressure while simultaneously reducing unhealthy cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease, and providing lubrication to your joints. Salmon is also high in vitamins A, D, E, and K, which can benefit eyes and bone joints. It can also feed the brain, repair muscles, and regulate metabolic balance. Now you know some of the amazing health benefits that salmon provides. So without further ado, let me take you through how to make this wonderful meal. This is the salmon fish we are going to be using to prepare this meal. First of all, I'm going to dry out the liquid from the fish before seasoning it. I use cinnamon, chili flakes, black pepper, salt to taste, parsley, 1 clove of garlic, and lemon zest. I'm also going to use half of the lemon's juice to cook the fish. Now that I have finished seasoning the fish, I'm going to set it aside while I prepare the salad. Here are the greens I will use for the salad. I have kale, spinach, and the beetroot leaves from my last video that I stored in the fridge. I'm going to wash the ingredients thoroughly now before slicing. I've already washed the ingredients, so I'm going to slice them. To season the salad, I use cinnamon, chili flakes, and cayenne pepper. I also use olive oil and lemon juice as dressings. Now, I'm going to oil the pan and cook the fish. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. While the fish is frying, I'm going to add the lemon juice. This is the zest I got from the lemon. I'm going to add it to the fish so it can deepen its flavor. Now that the fish is done, I'm going to put it on top of the salad to complete the meal. Now this delicious dinner is ready. A lot of the time, we have lots of red meat for dinner to get proteins and nutrients. However, salmon is a worthy alternative as it contains less saturated fats and is highly beneficial. On top of all this, it tastes great when well prepared. This is why I hope you guys implement salmon into your diet. I hope you find the information in this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up to enable me to make more health-related contents. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. And make sure you press the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Leave your queries in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and let's stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Bye-bye.